Good morning, children. Welcome back. Welcome to e-learning science classes. Today, we will learn more about adaptation in plants. Today, we will learn about aquatic plants. So, what is the meaning of aquatic? Aquatic means water, the one which is living in water. So the plants which lives in water are known as aquatic plants. So there are three types of aquatic plants. Number 1, floating plants. Number 2, fixed plants. Number 3, underwater plants. So we will learn about floating, fixed and underwater plants separately. Floating plants. Duckweed. This is an example of floating plant. The second example for floating plants is water hyacinth. So floating plants are very light and spongy, and it can float freely on the surface of water. Some parts like roots, stem and leaves of these plants are spongy or filled with air, which help them to float on water. Water hyacinth and duckweed are some floating plants. Now let us learn about fixed plants. Fixed plants have fixed roots to the bottom of the pond. They have long and hollow stems which help the leaves and the flowers to float on the water. Example, water lily. This is water lily, children. And one more example if we say is lotus. So this is lotus. So fixed plants have fixed roots to the bottom of the pond. Now let us learn about underwater plants. Underwater plants, the name itself describes that these plants grow completely under the water. They have small, or we can say long and narrow leaves. These plants breathe through their body surfaces as they do not have stomata. Example, hydrilla. So this is hydrilla which grows underwater. And similarly, there are more different types of underwater plants. So I hope you all have understood about the aquatic plants, floating plants, fixed plants and underwater plants. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.